Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best tools for mastering multiplication facts, the Carson DeLosa Multiplication Flashcards. These flashcards are designed specifically for kids in 4th grade, and they provide an engaging, fun way to practice and perfect multiplication skills. These flashcards cover all multiplication facts from 0 through 12, giving your child the opportunity to master every part of the times table. The set includes 169 cards, each featuring a multiplication problem on one side and the answer on the reverse. This makes it easy for kids to test themselves and check their work independently. Whether you're at home or in the classroom, these cards can be a great resource for reinforcing multiplication skills. What really sets these cards apart is the bonus resource card. This card offers extra math games that can be played with the flashcards, making learning not just effective but fun as well. The set also has a glossy finish and rounded edges, making the cards easy to shuffle, flip, and handle, even for younger children. This thoughtful design helps keep kids engaged and eager to learn. Parents and teachers alike will appreciate the versatility of this set. Whether you're homeschooling or looking for a classroom-friendly tool, these multiplication flashcards are designed to accommodate both settings. They provide the perfect balance between learning and play, helping kids learn at their own pace while reinforcing key multiplication concepts. Carson DeLosa has been a trusted name in educational products for over 45 years, and these flashcards are a testament to their commitment to helping kids succeed. With the focus on educational excellence, the Carson DeLosa Multiplication Flashcards give your child the tools they need to not only understand multiplication but to truly excel at it. So, if you're looking for the best way to boost your child's multiplication skills this year, look no further than the Carson DeLosa Multiplication Flashcards. Perfect for 4th graders, these cards will transform multiplication practice into an exciting and rewarding experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we hope these cards help your child on their math journey.